What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to display the FPS counter on the Nvidia app so you can monitor your frame rate while gaming. First, make sure you have the Nvidia app installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, head over to nvidia.com/software/Nvidia app and download it from there. Once it's installed, open the Nvidia app and log in with your account if prompted. Once here, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. At the top, make sure the Nvidia overlay is turned on and enabled. Now, to bring up the overlay, use the Alt and Z shortcut or any other key combination that you might have configured earlier. This will open the in-game overlay, where you will see various settings. Scroll down and click on Statistics. Here, you will find the key information needed to enable the FPS counter. The most important shortcut to remember is Alt and R, or any other key combination that you might have previously updated. Pressing this combination on your keyboard will toggle the FPS counter on and off. You will see the FPS counter appear at the top of your screen when it's activated. If you want to change the layout of the FPS counter, press Alt, Shift and R. This will cycle through different display styles, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your preference. You can do this inside any game to quickly adjust how the FPS counter looks. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.